Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about how to merge market structure after marking market structure on the daily time frame. Now you merge it to lower time frame so that you can better your entries and know how to enter from a smaller time frame and scale through. All right, so first of all, if you haven't watched my previous video, the link will be in the description below. You see how market structure is, so basically we'll not go into that again. You can go and watch the previous video for you to get the market structure video. So basically, when the market is on an uptrend, like we said, on a daily time frame, retracement, impulsive move, retracement, bullish impulsive move, and now retracement. So one of the things you will see, all right, one of the things you see is that for a bullish market structure, the market will be taking out the highs. All right, market will be taking out the highs. All right, okay. And if you go to this for the daily time frame, you'll be seeing it as clear as this. All right, be seeing it like this, but on the on the on the 1 hour time frame, you see something like this. This one leg will be in this form. Then you now see something like this into this one, then up again. Then you see something like this, retracement into this zone, and the market breaks and start going up again. All right, so the market will be making series of same thing there. What happened there? Same thing, taking other eyes. All right, taking other eyes. So you will not see a clear move like on the daily time frame. You know why? On the daily time frame, one candle is 1 day. You understand? You should know that by now. The one candle is 1 day. That's daily time frame. And for the 1 hour time frame, every 1 hour a new candle is formed. All right. So how do you spot out that the market wants to reverse into a key level or into internal range liquidity? um Maybe your order block, your fair value gap, your internal range liquidity, and equal highs, equal lows, and all. But before then, for you to spot a reversal on the daily time frame, all right, on this point, for you to know that the market will form something like a swing point. All right, a swing point comprises of three candle patterns whereby one of the candle is just like this, a three candle pattern. That's something like this. So when you see something like this on the daily, know that it's going to reverse. And on the 1 hour time frame, you see it as a shift in market structure bearish. All right, shift in market structure bearish. So let's go to the chart to see these things, how these things works. All right, so basically this is the 1 hour time frame. You can see I've already marked it out. There's a 1 hour time frame, and the one on the daily time frame, on the daily time frame on the daily time frame, you will see the clear market structure. And I just want to show you guys an example of how these things work. All right, so you need to constantly practice this to so that you can understand it. All right, so for example, right, for example, we saw the market moving bullish then turned bearish as at this point. The structures are already marked out, or maybe I should just mark them again. Okay, so we saw that the market was first bullish structure, higher low, higher failed to make another higher, took out this low. After taking out this high, failed to make another high. Then if you look at the structure, you see clearly that the market structure has changed bearish. All right, the market is now bearish. So so let's look at this structure. Let's just look at this structure from here, from here to from here, from this point to that point, from this point to that point. All right, so if you go to the 1 hour, this bearish structure you are seeing here, you see, like, you see the bearish impulsive move, and you see the um bullish reversal, which is the bullish retracement. You see that the market was forming a minor structure on the 1 hour. All right, so that bullish move you saw here was a minor structure on the 1 hour. So you will see higher high, sorry, see higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low, higher high, then now lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high again. You can see. So on the 1 hour, you'll be seeing minor structures. All right. So you'll be seeing minor structure. So most people are confused when, after they just see, okay, on the daily time frame, market is bullish. That's why you must understand the market. All right, so for example, if you want to check the V75 now, you see currently that the market is, you see that currently the market is bearish because it's forming series of lower high and lower low, lower high and lower low, and all that. Okay, so because you know that that's your bias on the daily time frame, you will want to do same on lower time frame, so you would not be confused by the retracement, by the bullish retracement, because you know it's on a downtrend. For example, you will not be confused by this move, by this reversal move, by this retracement move, by this retracement move, and all. You will just know that, okay, I'm on a downtrend now, I will be selling the market. And yeah, guys, so also let me show you another example of these things. You see that the market was bearish, and suddenly there was a change, started forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, and all that. So that structure, if you look at this retracement, if you look at that retracement, that retracement, like I said, is a three candle price action from that retracement to that retracement there. You see that the three candles, 1, 2, 3, the lines so that you can see it. You see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can see the one with the highest point, that's the swing point in front, and the reversing. So on the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, you will be seeing that, specifically the 1 hour time frame, you will be seeing that the market is forming series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right. So that's the swing point there. So suddenly you saw that when it got to that point, the market suddenly change character down. That's what smart money comes traders cause change your character and started forming lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and you can see how the market did. Alright, so do not be confused by these reversals because they're trying to come back into internal range liquidity, maybe your mitigation block, your fair value gap, your other blocks, or your liquidity voids, and so on and so forth. So go to your chart and mark out these things and know how these things work. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe for more educational content. God bless you.